Okay, so in this question, part 1, they're asking us to express root 18 in that form, okay, k root 2, alright. Now root 18 can be thought of as root 9 times 2, okay, because 9 times 2 gives me 18, and if we split those roots up, okay, if we split them up, we'll have root 9 times root 2, and of course root 9 is just 3, isn't it? So we'll have 3 root 2. Part 2 then, if we simplify this here, root 8 over root 18 plus root 32. Of course, to simplify it, we just need to rationalize this denominator. Okay, so we will do root 18 minus root 32 on the top, and root 18 minus root 32 on the bottom as well. So we'll have then root 8 times root 18, okay, which will be root 144. And then root 8 times root 32, which will be root 256. All over. Now remember, we only have to do the first and the outers, first and the last, because the outers and inners will cancel out. So first, root 18 times root 18 is 18, and the last root 32 times root 32 is going to be 32, or minus 32. So this becomes then 12 there. Square root of 256 is 16. And 18 take away 32 is minus 14. Okay, so if we work that out on a calculator, we'd get minus 4 over minus 14, which will just be 2/7. Okay, so that's our simplified answer there. Part B, we've got this here. Okay, so we've got to rationalize this one here. 7 root 2, take away root 3, all over 2 root 2 minus root 3. So if we rationalize this, so multiply top and bottom by 2 root 2 plus root 3. Okay, so you just change the sign there. Now, when we go about this then, okay, so we do firsts on the top. So we'll have 7 root 2 times 2 root 2. So 7 times 2 is 14. And 2 times 2, 7 times 2 is 14. And root 2 times root 2 is 2. So 14 times 2 is 28. Then we got the outers, 7 root 2 times root 3. Well, root 2 times root 3 is root 6. So 7 root 2 times root 3 is 7 root 6. The inners then, root 3 times 2 root 2 is 2 root 6, or minus 2 root 6. And then the last, root 3 times root 3 is 3. Okay, and it'll be minus 3. On the bottom then, the first 2 root 2 times 2 root 2. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then the last, root 3 times root 3 is 3. And it'll be minus 3. Okay, so on the top you get 28 take away 3 is 25. And 7 root 6 take away 2 root 6 is 5 root 6. And that's all over then 8 minus 3, which is 5. Okay, so divide each term there. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay, so we get 5 plus root 6.